Popular Amapiano vocalist Nkosazana Dota recently took to the stage to perform her hit song Abantwana Bakho as expected. The performance attracted massive attention online, but much of the conversation quickly shifted from her vocals to her appearance. Following noticeable weight loss, fans and social media users had plenty to say, with reaction ranging from praise to criticism, curiosity, and even jokes. Some users were clearly impressed and supportive, praising her new look and confidence. One comment read, "She looks so good and her confidence, I love it for her." Another added, "No lies, the weight loss looks good on her." Others defended her strongly, reminding people that not everyone's body journey will be understood by the public. One user wrote, "Losing weight is not for everyone. People are insane. She looks good." However, not all reactions were positive. Some users expressed a surprise, asking questions like, "How did she lose weight so quickly?" Others made jokes, while few criticized the outfit choice, with one comment saying, "She looks amazing, but what's with the gym clothes for a performance?" Another user summed up the frustration many feel when celebrities are crucified as saying, "She loses weight, you complain, she gains weight, you complain." What has stood out to many is how the narrative seems to have shifted. In the past, Nkosazana Dota faced body shaming online, with critics commenting on her weight and appearance. After deciding to lose weight, she is now facing a different kind of scrutiny, proving that no matter what you do, you can never truly make everyone happy. Her situation has reignited conversations around body image, public pressure, and the unrealistic expectations placed on artists, especially women in the entertainment industry. From body shaming to criticism, even after change, her story shows that you can never please everyone. What are your thoughts on this situation? Should artists be judged for their bodies or their talent? Let us know in the comments down below. This is Now News. Stay informed and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.